everyone, this is Cassie from PKNERGY. Let's lift the veil on the mysterious BESS factory and take a look together. Here is the some of the materials we have received, including the PCS components and the components like the boxes. Later, we will show you the entire assembly process of the BESS. Today, I will show you some assembly of the BESS system. Look here, this is the accessories of the BESS, which one we will ready to assemble into these components. And later, I will show you the turtle videos of the how to assemble the BESS. Thank you.